Hello guys, hope all of you are doing well. This is Showman from Oil and Gas Field Quality Control. Very interesting subjects, hot tapping. This is our subject today. Let us start to discuss. Limitations of hot tapping. Hot tap connections shall not be made in any of the following cases. Limited by fluid types. Lines carrying the following shall not be hot tap: acid, caustic, elemental sulfur, oxygen, chlorine, ammonia, potentially toxic materials, any material which may cause metallurgical damage when heated. Limited by flammability of the fluid. Hot taps are not suitable for the pipes of vessel containing materials that are flammable below atmospheric pressure or mixtures that will support combustion. Hot tap is limited by material degradation. Hot taps are not suitable for if the pipe material or welder may suffer metallurgical or physical degradation from the heat of the welding. It is limited by PWST requirement. Piping requiring post-weld heat treatment for any reason shall not be hot tapped. Limited by pipe cladding or pipe lining. Hot tapping shall not be performed in piping or vessels that are clad or lined. Limitation due to minimum temperature. Lines with surface temperature at or below 0 degree centigrade is not suitable for hot tap. Some other limitations we can discuss as equipment availability. There must be a hot tapping machine available for the temperature, pressure and size of the shell. Hot taps on tanks shall be located at least 1 meter below the liquid level. Compressed air. When there is a possibility of hydrocarbon contamination shall not be hot tapped without thorough internal cleaning or the introduction of inert gas prior to the welding. Debris damage. Hot taps shall not be made upstream for any equipment that may damage by chip, shavings and other debris introduced into the line by hot tapping process. Hot tapping shall not be allowed until system has been put in place that will positively trap the foreign matter. Means the cutting bars or anything shall not be fall into the pipeline. So we need to arrange something to trap the foreign metal. Minimum wall thickness for hot tapping is 5 mm. So any pipeline thickness less than 5 mm is not advisable to do hot tapping. So that's all for the hot tapping introduction to you guys. Hope you gain some knowledge through this. If you like the way of my teaching, please do not forget to share and subscribe my channel, and do not forget to hit the like button to inspire me more. Signing off, Showman.